Many times you want to do something but there's no strong push or pull factors to help you kickstart even with the first step. Today I have a method to help you get motivated. Motivation might exist naturally, and today I will guide you step by step with the type of motivation that can be created. Let's dive in.
First, let's grab a paper and a pen or a pencil. It's critical to write with physical hand.
First, write down an action of what you want to do. For example, I want to lose 10 kilograms.
Second, write down a question. Why do I want to do this? You can take a pause to think. Then write down your answer. For example, I want to look super handsome in any cool outfits.
Third, write down on the paper. What will happen if I succeed? Think about it in terms of how you'll feel when you achieve your goal. Where you will be, who is with you, what your daily life will look like. For example, I will feel very confident in any cool outfits I want to wear, haha.
Fourth, write down, how will my life improve? For example, I might be able to get a job as a model, which will help me make money and attract girls.
Fifth, write down who else will benefit from my success. For example, my parents will be proud of me too.
Sixth, write down, what will I feel if I give up, vs if I continue? For example, I will feel so horrible if I gave up. I will feel successful if I continue.
There you have it. Repeat the steps until you are so clear of the why behind what you want to do. Then you will feel that you're pushed to do the actions. Then you will need to create a system to make it a habit until you succeed. That'll be in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share, so you won't miss our videos.